checking out my competitors to see what they're up to. Hi, it's Kelly from Made in Business, and today we're going to talk about competitor checking and why you should be doing it in your business. Just as a disclaimer, this video post in no way is to suggest that you start stalking your competitors, tracking your competitors' every move, or become obsessive about your competitors. However, what this post is about is seeing what our top 3 competitors, now these are the competitors you bump into on quote requests, whose leaflets you see everywhere, who's always popping up on your Facebook feed, your top 3 competitors. We want to know what they're doing, what they're charging, and why they are so good. So do you know who your 3 main competitors are? When you go out and you do a quote with a new potential client, do you ask them who else they have called? Do you ask them who else they have used previously? Do you ask them who else they looked at and why they maybe decided to call you and not them? Some people will refuse to say. In my experience, however, people are very happy to tell you about their past experiences of who they've used, why they left them, why they were good, or where there are problems in your competitor's business. I always keep a competitor file and I log down any new information. Have you checked out your competitors' websites? Have you checked out their social media platforms? What do they post on their Facebook page? What do they tweet? What do they retweet? What organizations and groups are they linked to on LinkedIn? How do they interact with the people on their pages? Do they write blog posts on their website? Take a look at your top 3 competitors' online profiles and see what they are doing which perhaps you are not, and maybe could be the reason why you are not getting those phone calls for quotes. That was today's video all about competitor checking and why you should be doing it in your business. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss another one of my fascinating videos. And also check out the website, which should be around here somewhere, for written content on these posts in more detail, and also free downloads and printables. I will be back here Tuesday with another video. Until then, bye bye.